guys, today, beautiful day out in Denver. Sun is beaming right now. Today, just gonna go car wash day today with the F30 today. It's a little dirty, I must say. I have to wash it. Haven't washed it in about a week, but it should be pretty clean when I'm done. I'm gonna take you guys there with me, see how I wash it. I'm not an expert at car washing, but correct me if I'm wrong when I wash, but that's okay. But she's a little dirty and we should get her clean, and I'll take you guys on the drive with me. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we have arrived at the car wash place, and right now we're gonna vacuum, and I'll just show me vacuuming inside the car for a bit, and yeah. Drying stage for the tires and rims, tires and wheels. So I'm going to use one towel for each wheel. So I'm going to put one there, and put this right here, and the other one over there. So I'm just going to do one wheel at a time, and that's about it. tire dressing, I'll be using Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine. I'll be putting that on every single wheel, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Alrighty, so I am done washing the car. I cleaned the inside, I also did outside, and it's looking really clean now. As you can see, she's looking mighty beautiful. The wheels have curb rash, don't mind that, but other than that, I mean, the car is looking good. I'll take it out in the sun so you guys can see, but yeah, she's looking really good now. Finally, after a week of not cleaning, she's finally done. Alright, so this is her in the sun. And this is the inside. Pretty squeaky clean in here, I'd say.